I always love a 2-in-1. This is the PS Home portable garden seat with a removable tool bag. Look at how genius that is. If you don't want to crouch down in the dirt while you're gardening, just sit on this stool, have your tools handy. You can even like put the leaves and dirt and debris, whatever you need. You can stack it inside. It's super easy to carry, very comfortable, and it's on clearance for $31.99. You're saving $17. So, you know, clearance means no reorder. This is a fantastic 2-in-1. I want to show you the colors. Here is tofu. This is rose. This is definitely the one I would pick. I love me some pink. Here is gray. And Ashley is back to talk to us. Hi, Ashley.
Thanks for having me again. I wanted to show you that this is how this 2-in-1 garden stool is going to come to you. Very compact. No, and you can even just hang it up on the wall when not in use. No assembly required. You just pop it open and you have yourself a garden stool. I know.
Wait, that's super easy. I just like collapsed it, and the handle, I got a demo. I mean, this is easy. It's light. It's kind of cute.
Look at you. You look like you're like strolling along, even going like the beach or to the lake or whatnot. You don't have to just use this in the garden, but you know, you could use it for your children's, you know, baseball games or whatnot. But really, we did a lot on the design here. So you have that pouch that is connected, or you can simply unsnap them, and then you can have the pouch function as itself. So you really can use this 3 ways: together, the pouch by itself, or the stool by itself, right?
Oh, wow. So it's a 3-in-1, not only just a 2-in-1.
3-in-1.
Okay.
Yeah, so here's the pouch itself. We have some great things here on the design. First thing is 3 pockets in the front, and then we have this elastic. The elastic is to keep those tools or gardening items, or I also love it for cleaning. You can put your cleaning supplies in here and carry this around with you from room to room, especially like on a hardwood floor. You know, you're that great height, about 13 inches off the ground, that you're not going to be cleaning the floors on your knees or outside in the garden on your knees and getting dirty. On the back side, we have a large pocket, and we designed it on like almost like a half circle. And the reason why we did that was that so when it's attached, you're actually able to put your hand down into, there you go, as you're seated on the seat. And it's the same area that you're able to also access at the top of the pouch if you did not have them connected. So it's the same, right? So it really is.
Yeah, it can carry a lot for such a small and compact seat. I mean, walk us through the size of this whole thing. I mean, it felt just really manageable.
Absolutely. So whenever it's collapsed down, this is going to be 16 by 17. Hang on the wall. You can slide it in between, like, you know, in a corner or whatnot, because it really is compact. The seat itself is 13 inches off the ground, and then this is 16 inches by 11. It's going to hold up to 250 pounds. Then the pouch here we have is 12 by 10 by 7. So a good size to put in those gardening trimmings or the tools as you're gardening, or cleaning supplies, or pack snacks in here and take this to the lake to go fishing or to the beach. Very lightweight and not cumbersome, unlike some other, you know, beach chairs or sporting chairs can be kind of heavy as well.
Now I'm going to try to sit in it and see how comfortable it is.
You tell me what you think.
Okay. Perfect. Perfectly comfortable, nice and sturdy. And, you know, maybe I want to organize something or clean my baseboards, and I don't want to just crouch down. This would be the perfect seat.
It's going to help your knees. It's going to help your back. It's also like, say you are cleaning, you know, so you don't get your knees maybe even a little wet from the floor that you're cleaning or whatnot. It's very comfortable, as well, as you mentioned. It's going to hold up to like that 250 pounds. So it really is just super versatile in many ways, not just for the garden, but, you know, that ball game or a lot of activities outside during the summer or spring months. It's great for that. Or like even out in the garden, that, you know, that dirt or mud, it could be wet. It's going to keep you, keeping clean while you're gardening.
Yeah. So what is this material, and how do you clean it?
So it's a super durable polyester. You just want to wipe this clean. I've used this a fair amount, and it's in, I mean, I have the navy here, but mine's in really good shape. I have not had to clean it yet, but if you needed to, just soap and water.
Nice. I'm loving just how easy you can collapse it, put it together easy, you can carry it. We have some beach chairs that like, I don't even know how to collapse them. I have struggled with them. I've hurt my hands trying to do it. And then you can carry them on your back. They're so heavy. I make my husband deal with those.
I do not like things that require tools. The fact that you literally just pop this open, it's super easy, and then I can pop off that tote, and then I just want to click it back on if I want to, you know, use it together or apart. Super, super versatile around your home, that garden, cleaning, outdoor fun, at sporting events.
You know, what would be great too? Yeah, like at a sporting event, maybe put your drinks in there.
Your
put
snacks,
some snacks.
Yep.
Yeah, and then maybe in the garden, can you put like if you're weeding, can you maybe put like your trash or your weeds in there and just
100%
dispose of
keep
them
that in there, and then you just dump it, you know, into that trash can whenever you get in there. And again, you have those 3 pockets in the front that's going to hold with elastic that's going to keep your tools in place. And then you have the 2 different ways to access the tote.
Nice, and it's just perfect for your tools right here.
Yeah.
Actually, we just sold a set that had 3. The Bernini, you put 1 of each in there.
There you go, there you go.
Very nice, lightweight, durable, so easy to use, not confusing to fold it up. I mean, this is great. I think this is really clever. I think it's a brilliant invention.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you so much. It's so good to see you. All right, we'll see you again soon, Ashley. This is the PS Home Portable Garden Seat with Removable Tool Bag. PS Home stands for Problem Solving Home. $31.99 is the clearance price on that. It's item number M93936.